This quick video is about how to add your email account in iPhone. Okay, first open the Mail app. If you didn't install this, go to App Store and install Apple Mail. For now, I opened Mail app. Then you can see this lot of options. Here you need to choose your mail provider. If your mail ID contains at gmail.com means you need to choose Google, or at yahoo.com means you need to choose Yahoo. You can also use the other options. For me it's at outlook.com, so I choose outlook.com. Then here enter your email ID. Enter your full email ID, then click Next. Now enter your email password, then tap Sign in. Accept. And here you can sync your contact, calendar, reminder and notes. You can also turn off this. For now I just click Save. Here select Protect Mail Activity, then click Continue. Hello. That's it. Now you successfully added your email account in iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.